and welcome to North Ridgeville City Schools and our maintenance and transportation groundbreaking ceremony. This is the first step in what is truly a momentous occasion for the schools, but also our city. This will likely be, when complete, the largest construction project to happen in the city of North Ridgeville, and we are so proud to share this moment with all of you here today.
To the community members that supported us, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I can't thank the city enough. The mayor of North Ridgeville, they really have collaborated with us in so many aspects to help us get here. So this isn't just a big day for North Ridgeville City Schools, but it really truly is a big day for the city of North Ridgeville.
A massive project, a massive undertaking for the district and the city of North Ridgeville. It's been a challenge over the last 13 years as we grow. Specifically for transportation and maintenance, we've been making do. I'm super excited to get started. It's going to be phenomenal.
Some of the features at the new Transportation Maintenance Center that's going to benefit both of these departments is the bus wash bays, bigger parking. Right now we don't have the space for both departments to meet, so this will help have everybody under one roof. We will be able to be more organized, which makes us get our projects done quicker and more efficiently. We're very excited about all that.
This is a great day for North Ridgeville, not only for the city, but for the schools, but most importantly for the kids in our future and also for all the residents. This is going to change the landscape quite a bit, but it will be a great new addition to the community.
To the community, just thank you. They passed a levy for us, we're able to build our facilities and also the high school, so we just want to say thank you and we appreciate it.
All right, you ready to move some dirt? Sure. Come on, grab your hard hats and let's do this.
1, 2, 3, go.
Great job, guys.